James has a name with a bichrome, so clean shines day and night.
So what we got happening here now is the bolts here. The holes were a little bit jammed up with some debris and whatnot, so I couldn't get them to the bolts to seat in deep enough. But now I use this here, as you can see what we got there. That is a thread chaser, not a tap, because a tap will be eating up more of the thread. So we don't want to do that. We just want to clean the thread. So that's what you use on these thread chaser. And works amazing. Let's see. Just want to go back and forth and clean it up. I sprayed some WD-40 in there. This one here is pretty much done already. Oh shit! So I'll take the rest of that out, and then I gotta clean the surfaces here because we got some paint overspray on them. So I just want to make sure they're nice and clean before we put the gasket on, and then we can put the water pump on. This here was just to protect the timing cover, the mini spray. I gotta do it on this side too. Put a little tape there just to protect it when I clean these off. So yeah, it's coming along. Get that done, we'll install the water pump. Then this zone here will be complete until I put the heads on. And after that, we can do the oil pump, the oil filter. The oil pan, I should say. Okay, we'll be back. Hey, check this out. Just picked up this MotoMaster air compressor. It was for free on the marketplace because it wasn't pumping up past 60 psi. The motor would keep running, but it just wouldn't accumulate any more air compression in there. So I took off the top here, which is right here. I took that off, and I found this. Boom. One is broken. So I'm going to go and pick up 2 replacements. This is still good, but I think it comes with the new things if you want to. So I might just get a new one of that. And it goes right on top there. It was on this side. This is the indented side. So it was on this side here that broke. Not sure if that's the exhaust or the intake, but either way, I'm going to get new ones. We'll replace that and test it out. This could be a nice little find from the marketplace. Free of charge. The thing looks in great shape. It's holding 60 psi. So all the fittings are solid. No leaks. Just that. Okay, we'll be back with the new parts. Okay, we're back. We got the parts in. There it is there. There's the old one. You can see the broken piece. And here's the new one. I got a 4-pack, apparently. Doesn't look like it, but maybe. For $9.32, boys and girls. Then we'll start this thing up and see if we can get it above 60, up to its normal operating temperatures and whatnot. Okay, we'll be back. Alright, everything's buttoned up and put back together. Went in pretty smooth. The only hard time I had, honestly, was putting that cover back on. Lining it up with the bolts down here and whatnot. Anyway, we're hooked up. Everything's hooked up. I drained the air so we can start fresh and see how it goes. Alright, let's go. Turn this on. Boom.
That's about where it stopped, right there. Ooh, it's gone past 60. That's 80 now. Over 90. Shit, they're gonna stop?
Oh, yeah. Alright. It's holding at 120. Woohoo! Now that's what I call putting together something from the marketplace that you got free. And it only cost $9.32. I got 2 extra spares. But wow. I got me a little compressor for free. Well, for $9.32. Okay, I gotta go get the air hose and do a little test. Good. Alright. Holy jeez. This is good. I got 3 roosters. So if anybody needs a rooster or wants one, preferably not for the dinner table. They're pretty nice, like they're docile. They don't attack, or at least not yet anyway, but they seem pretty nice. Oh, is that a falcon? Yeah, it is. Bastard. Get out of here. Well, they got 3 roosters to contend with right now, but they're kind of beating up on the chickens too much. So, if anybody's in my area, and you got some chickens, you got some space, and you need a rooster, or you just want an extra rooster, let me know. We got ourselves 100% functioning air compressor here. We're back. Look at this weather. Insane. What? Boom. We got the water pump bolts. Now we can install them. No more messing around with dog fighting, play fighting, video editing nonsense. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed that little show. So here we go. Boom. We're gonna install a water pump. Be back. God damn it. Excuse me, pardon me. Fuck. They sent me the wrong one. See that long bolt? That's for the short fucking water pump. Okay, damn it. I gotta get online and check and see what the hell happened here, because I know I ordered the freaking long water pump bolt. Maybe I'll just use these 3 and I'll use one of my existing ones. Fuck it. I don't know, we'll see. Damn it. Oh, there might be some more dog fighting videos after all. Hey, puppy. Oh, he doesn't want to be the fighting dog. Even though he likes to bark at other dogs. But it's only because he wants to play. Alright. Ah, man. Alright, so I'm going to be returning these. So I'm going back with the originals. I'm just going to use them. They're fine. I can just clean them up. They're good. Actually didn't even need these, to be honest. And you can see they're longer for the long water pump. Right there. Okay, so installing the water pump with the water pump bolts. And we're using this copper anti-seize. This goes on the bolts that do not go into water coolant jackets. For that one bolt that goes in there, I'm using this thread sealant with PTFE. So it's a non-hardening sealant. So I'm going to coat this bolt. And then I'm going to install this one in that one spot. I'll show you where we're at. I just put this in here for now just to see how it lines up. And it lines up very good, as you can see. And the bottom bolt is in. Still got to put that one in. I got the blue Velcro gasket, stripes out. And you run those in dry. You don't need to put no RTV in there at all. That's what Velcro says. So I'm gonna do this side now. That bolt's just in there holding it. Under here, that's where the water pocket is. Where I'll be putting that thread sealer on it. Alright, I'll be back once I get those bolts in. And then I gotta torque them down to about 20, 25. I think 25. Okay, we'll be back. Oh, and one more thing. Yeah, I did clean these bolts. I painted them. Whatever. Yeah, I'm returning those other ones, so these ones here are perfectly fine. Not a big deal. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, some nice anti-seize on the other 3 bolts. So far we got the bolt on the bottom on this side in with anti-seize. Bolt on the bottom on this side is in with thread sealer. I'm gonna get this guy in here. So good that I cleaned those threads. And I can just screw it by hand in, you know what I mean? That wasn't happening before, that's for sure. Get them ready to torque. Better get this out before it falls. Okay, I'll go get the other bolts for the other side and I have to torque them down. We'll be back. Okay, there's the 4th bolt going in. Beautiful. Man, I'm so glad I cleaned those threads on the block. That was this tool here that I used. Together. This one here. That's a thread chaser, not a tap. Although I think a tap would work, I don't know, but it might cut too much of the thread. This doesn't actually cut any thread, it just cleans out all the crap. You can see there's some crud still on there from cleaning it out. Okay, perfect. I'm gonna get the torque wrench and we'll get to torquing these bolts down. I'm gonna get to 25. I'll probably start at about 10, 15, and then work my way up to 25. We'll be back, folks. We'll be back. Okay, it's in. 100%. Bolts are torqued down to, I went to about 27, I think, 28 maybe it was. Just until it clicked. It's in there, solid. Nice tight water pump, beautiful. Okay, that job is done, folks. Yeah, see what I mean? That nice timing cover You don't even see it on these vans. It's not like you can go down here and have a look and see the bow tie down there. You know, but I mean, it's better quality, this one. It's headache free. It'd be nice if I could have got to see the bow tie on it, but that's there. No big deal. The Chevy bow tie right there. See? Now I gotta still gotta tighten these bolts, put the harmonic balancer bolt in, tighten that, but I'm having a problem with everything turning on me when I tighten it, so I'm gonna have to lock the flywheel at some point. So I'll have to get around to that, but yeah, timing cover's in, all that's in, it's all snugged in, water pump's in. So I will just have to do these bolts, 3, and the one in the center. And there's the water power steering pump. I'm gonna have to clean those threads too, just to be safe. Do the same thing I did with the others. Okay. Next job, I'm gonna be doing the oil pump. We're gonna close it up. And then now we have to even put the new starter on. Get the underneath all done, and then it's just waiting for these heads to arrive. Or to be done so I can go pick them up. Alright folks, we shall be back.
Try to play it cool, try to take it slow, but she saw right through every line I'd ever thrown. One touch from her and the walls came down, left me standing there lost while the world spun around. Didn't need no words, didn't need no show. She had a hold on me deeper than I'd ever known. Yeah, she's got my soul.